Water skiing in the house. Oops. Man down. Oh no, he's up. He's up. Oh no. Oh, we're turning around. Boat's turning around. We got a tangle. Oh, we're good. Back up. Oh dear. Man down. Man down somewhere. Man down. Oh, but he's... Where's the other one? There's baby though. Tristan, can we take your soother out? Tristan, can we take your soother out, lovey? No, let's take his soother brace.
Okay, I need a break.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the two of you could go water skiing.
You have to say, hit it!
Whoa.
I got it.
Oh, man down, man down. Stop, stop. Oh, well, you guys are doing well. That's great.
That's it, Tristan. Get it, yeah?
Yep, he's got it.
Oh.
Oops. Boat. The boat's roped down. Oh, now Tristan's the boat. Andrew, you're the skier. You gotta catch up. You got it.
There goes Tristan. Hit it.
Oops. You got it. Conflict of interest. They come sit with you? Hey. It's Movember. I'm just letting everybody know that who's watching this.
Tristan, you hit it. Hit it.
They're actually going on a big push for